Pacific black ducks are common throughout most of Australia and can be found in almost any wetland habitat, including open and kumbungi-filled wetlands, rivers, creeks and farm dams. Males and females look very similar. Their body plumage is dark brown, contrasting with a tan-coloured head and dark skull cap. Close up, the feathers appear pale-edged and the face is tan-coloured with a thick black eye stripe. The Pacific black duck has a number of calls. The most recognisable is a rapid succession of quacks, declining in pitch and increasing in tempo.